Part 7, continue of exercise 8.4, question number 5, 7th sub-question to 10th sub-question. Now you should write the 7th sub-question. 7th sub-question you should write. Seventh sub-question is, have to prove that sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. Is equal to tan theta. You have to prove. Now we'll start from LHS, how we have done the previous questions. So you should start from LHS. So who is your LHS? LHS is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. Okay, sin theta you should take common in the numerator because both sin theta is there. Then inside the bracket from sin theta it will come 1. From 2 sin cube theta, if sin theta will come outside, then inside the bracket it will come sin square theta. 2 sin square theta whole divided by. From here you can take common cos theta. So you should take common cos theta inside the bracket from 2 cos cube theta. Cos theta taken common. So you should write 2 cos theta cos square theta minus cos theta. Sorry, this one it will come 2 cos square theta minus 1. So now we should see 1 minus 2 sin square theta. In place of 1, we should write the identity on sin and cos. So what is the identity? We should write for 1 sin theta as it is, you should keep it outside. For 1, you should write the identity sin and cos. What is the identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, in place of 1, we have written sin square theta plus cos square theta. Then whatever may be that as it is, we have to write 2 sin square theta whole divided by, this is cos theta. Same only for 1, you should write here also. So 2 cos square theta minus inside the bracket, then here you keep square bracket, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay. So in place of 1, you have written sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. In place of 1, we have written the identity on sin and cos. Now you should see sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta, like your algebraic positive negative numbers. That is the addition, like your number line, your number system. You should do sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta. So you should write cos square theta minus, because it will come minus 1 sin square theta. So cos square theta minus sin square theta whole divided by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta minus cos square theta. It will come when you will open the bracket, minus sin square theta minus cos square theta. Yes, then we should write again sin theta into cos square theta minus sin square theta whole divided by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta. How much? 1 cos square theta. So cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay. Now in the numerator and denominator, we have observed cos square theta minus sin square theta. In denominator also cos square theta minus sin square theta. So they will get cancelled. Who left? Only sin theta divided by cos theta left. So sin theta divided by cos theta is how much? Tan theta. Okay, is equal to RHS. So therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, you should write. Okay, this is 7th question. Then 8th question. Eighth question is, we have to prove sin A plus cosec A whole square, sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A means secant A, cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to what you have to prove? You have to prove this 2 whole square is equal to 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. Okay, 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. So you should start from LHS. Start from LHS. What is LHS? LHS is sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. Now you find the whole square like your algebraic expression A plus B whole square. So you write here which formula you are using. A plus B whole square, algebraic formula you are using. So you write A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay, so like that you should write A is your sin A, B is your cosec A, like that you should think, you should imagine, and you have to write sin square A cosec square A plus 2 sin A into cosec A. Then for second whole square, cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A into sec A. Now sin and cosec, they are reciprocal of each other. So you should write that sin square A plus cosec square A. Here see sin square A plus cos square A. You should write because we know that sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So you should write like that. Both of them you should write together. Then your cosec square A you should split because the cosec side cos sec should not be. In right hand side we should observe it is written cot and tan. Now we know that cot square A plus 1 is cosec square A. Now cosec square is available here. So in place of cosec square A we should write the sin square A cos square A wrote together. Now for cosec square A you should write 1 plus cot square A. Okay, for this cosec square A. Then plus 2 sin A into cosec A. We know that sin A and cosec A are reciprocal to each other. So cosec A you should write 1 divided by sin A. Then this cosec cos square A already we have written. So this is sec square A. So sec square A we know that is 1 plus tan square A. So in place of sec square A we have written 1 plus tan square A plus 2 cos A into sec A. 2 cos A into sec A is 1 divided by cos A. Okay, 2 cos A into sec A. In place of sec A, we have written 1 divided by cos A. Now, we should evaluate sin square A plus cos square A 1. Then 1 again 1 plus cot square A. Whatever value we are getting, we should write plus. These 2 sin A into 1 by sin A. Sin A is in numerator and denominator, they got cancelled. So 2 1s are 2 plus. Here another 1 you should write. Then tan square A also you should write. Plus. This cos A and this cos A, they are in one is numerator, one is denominator, like that plus position. So they will cancel to each other. This 2. Now we should last line we have to evaluate 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. Yes, now is equal to RHS. because in RHS we have started from LHS, now we reached in RHS. So therefore, last sentence we should write LHS is equal to RHS. Every proof we should write like this. Ninth question. Okay, ninth question. We have to prove that cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. Sec A minus cos A. So whatever function you are getting, all are reciprocal to each other. These two also. We have to prove that these two multiplication is equal to cos A into sin A. Cos A into sin A. Cos A into sin A. Okay, so you start from LHS. You will see every time LHS, RHS, LHS will start and in RHS you will reach. Every time it will not come. See, here both are reciprocal to each other. If you will go, it is coming or not, you have to see. So children, this is question will come cosec A minus sin A, its valuation it is cosec A minus sin A is equal to this is question is cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is how much? We have to prove it is 1 divided by tan A plus cot A. Okay, 1 divided by tan A plus cot A. So you start from LHS. It is LHS cosec A minus sin A. Cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. We should write the reciprocal of sin A. RHS is 1 by tan A plus cot A. So in sin A and cos A form it should come, then we can, so we should start from LHS. We see that sin A minus sin A into 1 divided by cos A minus cos A. So it will come 1 minus sin square A divided by sin A into 1 minus cos square A, because it is LCM is cos A. So you should multiply cos A with cos A, cos square A divided by cos A. Fractional subtraction, it will come 1 identity cos square A divided by sin A into 1 minus cos square A, bracket function you have to find first. So 1 minus cos square A is sin square A divided by cos A. So now sin A, sin square A got cancelled, you got sin A, and cos A, cos square A got cancelled, cos A. So you got cos A into sin A. If you will do like this, then again you will divide by sin A by cos A, you will get that, but you should keep it as equation 1. Then you start from RHS. Sometimes both it should not come. So in cos A into sin A, we are not getting how to get 1 divided by tan A plus cot A. So we go from RHS and you check A into cos A into sin A is coming or not. So 1 divided by tan A plus cot A is equal to 1 divided by, in place of tan A, you convert it to sin A and cos. So sin A divided by cos A plus cos A divided by sin A is equal to 1 divided by, this fractional addition you should do. So sin square A plus cos square A, because LCM is cos A into sin A into sin A. Now we should go to next step. 1 divided by sin square A plus cos square A. How much? Sin square A plus cos square A. How much? 1. So 1 divided by cos A into sin A is equal to how much? Cos A into sin A. Because here 1 into cos A into by sin A divided by 1 it will come. Equation 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, we got, what we got? Cosec A, that much we should not write. We should write LHS is equal to RHS over. Okay, again no need to write. LHS is equal to RHS. Now 10th question. 10th question, we have to prove that 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A. Okay, 1 minus tan square plus 1 by cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A minus cot A is equal to tan square A. So from LHS you will start to reach at RHS. So we start LHS. We will start from starting because 3 steps are there. So first step we should write. Okay, so we should write 1 plus tan square A, first one, 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. Okay, is equal to 1 plus tan square A, how much? We know that 1 plus tan square is sec square A divided by 1 plus cot square A is cosec square A. Okay, we should write here since identity 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A, 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. Okay, so now sec square A, cosec square A, you should take their reciprocals. So sec square is how much? Cos square A 1 divided by cos square A, cosec square A is 1 divided by sin square A. So now the fractionals, numerator 1 fraction, denominator 1 fraction. So when they are in division form, when they will come to multiplication form, the denominator will go to numerator divided by 1. So 1 got cancelled. It is sin square A divided by cos square A equal to how much? Tan square A. So this is equation 1. Then again we should go second one. Second one is 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A whole square. So we should write 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A whole square. So you should write 1 minus tan A, you should write in the form of sin and cos. Sin A divided by cos A whole square whole divided by 1 minus cos A divided by sin A whole square. Okay, we can separate whole squares. Now we should do fractional subtraction. Cos A minus sin A divided by cos A whole square whole divided by sin A minus cos A divided by sin A whole square. Okay, now you should evaluate. What should we do? Is equal to this one. This is sin A minus cos A. This is cos A minus sin A. So one minus will take common, means it will serve. So next page you should do. So we should do like this. Cos A minus sin A is there. No, we should do that. Minus of sin A minus cos A whole square divided by cos square A whole divided by sin A minus cos A whole square. The denominator sin A is there, sin square A. You can write sin square A. Now this one, the minus square is plus, so direct we should write sin A minus cos A whole square, because minus square is plus, and as it is sin A minus cos A whole square divided by cos square A whole divided by sin A minus cos A whole square divided by sin square A. That equal to, now fractional division. So how is the rule that we have to follow? Sin A minus cos A whole square divided by cos square A into sin square will go to numerator and sin A minus cos A, it will go to denominator. So this one got cancelled. You got sin square A divided by cos square A. How much? Tan square A. So equation 2. So equation 1, you got how much? Tan square A, 1 minus plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. You got tan square A, equation 1. Again, second part you have started, you got same tan square A. So from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, what you got? You should write 1 minus 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A. Proved. So this is the last question. If you like this video, please subscribe.